Okay.
First thing we're doing is we're dumping in the onions.
Wait.
Don't get so close. It's putting pressure on me.
That's what I told you.
Dumping in onions.
Sorry, you're supposed to.
Okay. Okay, I was told I'm supposed to stir. I'm going to stir the onions. And then once these get caramelized, we'll add the mushrooms until they're soft. They have all the good seasoning at the bottom of the pan, so you really want to scrape that up.
You know that, or did you make that?
I think I've heard that somewhere before.
Do you want to tell them everything else that we have here, Yvette? Right here.
Sounds like
Let's
no.
see. I don't know everything that we have here.
Okay.
We got the
Right here.
mushrooms.
Okay, you have to look at
Okay.
the camera.
Oh, we got the mushrooms here, which are ready to almost be poured. We got paprika. Wait, no, that's not
Italian
Italian. It's Italian seasoning. Clearly, I don't cook. Some bone broth. What
Chicken
else?
broth.
Chicken broth,
What's that?
whipped cream, and some Parmesan cheese.
And that's going to make our sauce.
That's going to complete the sauce.
This feels like it's caramelized, right?
Okay.
You guys put
Okay.
the mushrooms in.
Oh shit, we lost one. Lost a mushroom. Don't worry, guys. Save it.
Is now a good time to tell you I don't like mushrooms?
What did you say?
She doesn't like mushroom.
You won't even taste them.
All right.
Now what?
Okay. Next, we're going to pour in the chicken stock and then the heavy cream.
This is all happening now.
Right
well,
there.
right now we have to wait for the mushrooms to get soft.
While she's doing that, while she's softening the mushrooms, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Share, subscribe.
Share, subscribe.
And hit that like button. Next,
We're back. The mushrooms
we're
are...
going to pour the chicken stock.
She missed.
Sorry. Wait, I can't do that. I can't. And now we're going to add the heavy cream.
All of it?
Yep.
Whoops.
What's going to happen now?
It's
Is it, like,
supposed to then thicken when we add the Italian dressing and Italian herbs and red pepper flakes, and then we're gonna add Parmesan cheese.
You're throwing those in there, isn't she, at you? I think we might need more of that. We need to sit you a little bit more because that little cup wasn't big enough.
This looks good.
It smells
Do
good?
we need to like lower the heat or
Yeah,
anything?
yeah, I would lower it and then we'll bring it to a boil first and then we'll lower it and it will
Okay.
thicken.
Now what are you doing?
Adding more Parmesan cheese because it wasn't enough apparently.
How do you know?
It's what Debbie told me to do. That's why she has the cooking show.
There you go. You'll see it on the show.
Okay, I guess so. Talking shit about
Oh
me?
my god, all the seasoning's on
No.
the spatula. How do I get it off?
Spatula.
Or wooden spoon. What do I do? Thank you, Mom and Debz.
What do I do?
She wants to
She's
make sure we know how to
higher.
cook for her sons.
Yes.
So why neither of you are mirrored yet? Jeez.
All right, we're gonna let it
Boil.
come to a boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer so it can thicken.
And once that's done, we're gonna add a whole bag of ravioli and let those cook. And then you'll see the finished product. We'll be right back.